There is new equipment as far as the eye can see over on the Komatsu stand, and we're going to start right at the very beginning with compact track loader, the CK50, brand new, fitted with a massive Simex saw. Around the other side of that, I know there's a new skid steer. That is the SK40, again, brand new to this show. I'm fairly sure, don't hold me to it, but I'm fairly sure both of these are actually manufactured here in Italy. We'll do this one first, the PC50 MR. We'll go from sublime to ridiculous in a moment. SK715 skid steer, over to the PC50 MR again. The PC170, one of the real attractions here at the show has been the simulator. As you can see, there are people actually queuing to take part. There is a simulator operator challenge going on as we speak. Now, I promised you something fairly extreme, and extreme you shall have. And these, I promise you, are not toys. These are real functioning machines. I don't know if you can see it by the knees of people there. That's the PC01E, which we've featured previously. Obviously an electric machine. And if we cut through here, there's another tiny machine. I think that's the PC05. Going through here, the WA170M, nice new wheel loader, PC33E, mini excavator. We'll go past some more compact machines, and then I'll do a left and show you some other bits. This is the smart construction element of the show, but over here, mini excavators, compact wheel loader, WA80M. I go past here, brings us round to the reception area for Komatsu. Big hospitality unit we've got here, very busy yesterday. I think partly people avoiding the rain, but also because it's such a welcoming place to be. And we'll wander through here. I wouldn't say I'm saving the best till last, but I'm kind of saving the best till last. PC18 MR on a trailer, obviously compact for transport. PC58, and then probably the star of Komatsu's show, which is the PC220. I recently described it as a peak excavator at the moment on the Breakfast show, because I actually believe it is. This is about as good as excavators get right now. As you can see, it's already drawn a crowd. It's still early days. It's people getting in and out of the cab very early in the morning. But yeah, a real showstopper, the PC220 LCI-12.